Ah, look, making noise. See, this is ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. And now it's quiet. 3 o'clock and 15 minutes. I mean, how rude. 3 o'clock and 15 minutes. 3 o'clock and 15 minutes. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Boop. Stupid noise. I so hope the police will come. Please, no police. They don't even react. They do react on the, but they act as if there's nothing happening. So stupid. Every time I don't film, they are making so much noise. You just saw it. Yeah. Are they looking at the camera? 3 o'clock. Yeah, look at the camera. I'll keep filming. Really. I'm gonna keep filming till you guys are going away. What the fuck? Oh, dude. What the fuck? Damn. More noise. Those other people in the car just keep driving by. How shady, man. Oh my god, this is so shady. Yeah, this is just a stupid game. I'm not gonna. I think I had enough. You know what the thing is? Sorry, it is now dark. I'm in the dark kitchen. The thing is, the people will keep doing this. Those two men. So it's pointless. I think I'm gonna try to sleep. And it is what it is. I cannot do anything about it. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised about their reaction. Oh, I need to pick up my flashlight.